How to put custom ringtones on your iPhone. Hello, and welcome to Videojug. So, you're ready to free your iPhone from the clutches of the man. Gonna do something about it? Yeah, it'll void your warranty and could destroy your phone, but are you gonna let that stop you? Are you man enough to mod your iPhone? Get in there and make your phone do what you want it to do. For starters, change the ringtones to something you like, not what someone tells you to like. Scratch that. Change your ringtone to something cool. No, your riffs are not cool. Step 1, get your groove on. You know your iPhone is an iPod too, right? Well, use it like one. Put some cool music on it, or cool sounds, or something that won't make me laugh at you every time your phone rings. Listen. Yeah. Oh yeah. Step 2, get your app on. You have Installer on your phone, don't you? If not, get it. How do you expect to mod your iPhone without an install application? Now, launch Installer and find Send Song. Select it, hit Install, and let it do its thing. Step 3, dominate your iPhone. Ready to show your iPhone who's boss? Good boy. Launch Send Song and check it out. All your music and sounds ready to be ringtones. Yup, you choose the tunes now. Go on, choose one. Step 4, pick up. Answer your phone, damn it. It's me. Very good. Finally, a man who knows how to handle his iPhone. Done.